Your next car could be the 2022 Ram 2500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.